after we had our necessary purchases at the airport, like the Octopus card, the internet SIM, the calling SIM, and then the 7-Eleven stuff, like our food in preparation for our Big Buddha trip the following day. We immediately boarded the A11 bus going to Causeway Bay for our one-night accommodation after the arrival. So we arrived at the Hong Kong International Airport at around 9 p.m. So directly we boarded again the A11, I repeat, A11 bus going to Causeway Bay. So from the airport, from Hong Kong International Airport, we are now at Tung Chung North. And by the way, the driver of the bus, the double-decker bus na sinasakyan namin is a lady driver. Ang galing ng clearance niya. Kasi ang daming inaayos na daan, ongoing yung construction. So, ang galing ng clearance niya. And this is a double-decker bus, by the way, like you see in London. And yung pamasahe nga pala from the airport going to Causeway Bay, yung nabawas sa akin and sa husband ko was 33 Hong Kong dollars. And then kay Brent and kay Mami tsaka kay Daddy was around 22 Hong Kong dollars. Kasi they are holding a discounted card, discounted Octopus card. Medyo malayo-layo po itong biyahe natin. It took us around 45 minutes to 1 hour to reach our destination. So, nakarating kami sa accommodation namin 12 midnight na. So guys, wala naman kayong makikitang view dyan. So, I would like to take this opportunity para magbigay ng travel tip or Octopus card usage tip. What happened to me was not during this trip. Sa ibang trip yon, yung from Macau kami, bumalik kami ng Hong Kong, and then parang pagod na kami mag-MRT kasi dalawang transfer yun. So, we decided to take the bus para diretso-diretso makatulog pa kami sa bus kasi medyo malayo din yung biyahe. Kasi yung accommodation namin nasa Prince Edward Station pa malapit. So, we decided to take the bus. So, what happened? Nung magbo-board na kami ng bus, dapat yung pamasahe was 35 Hong Kong dollars. So, yung balance na, remaining balance na nasa Octopus card ko was only 24 Hong Kong dollars. So, kailangan ko dapat na mag-reload ng 11. So, hindi ko napansin yun. Pero nandun na kami sa bus eh. Walang loading station sa bus ng Octopus card. So, yun, nagulat ako kasi nung pag-tap ko sa card sa bus, may note doon na insufficient balance. So, nataranta ako. So, I immediately take out my phone and then tinap ko yung Apple Pay. So, yung nabawas sa Apple Pay ko was 35 Hong Kong dollars. So, tiningnan ako ng bus driver. So, yun na pumasok ng kaupo ko. And then, I realized na nung nag-reload na kami kinabukasan, nag-reload kami ng 50 Hong Kong dollars. So, bakit 39 lang ang pumasok? Kasi ma-check mo yung balance agad-agad after you reload the Octopus card. So, tinignan ko yung previous transaction ko. So, yun pala yun. Kasi 24 yung balance ko sa Octopus card ko. And then, sumakay kami last night from dun sa bridge from the bridge to Prince Edward Station, yung 35 na pamasahe. So, yung 24, kinuha ng Octopus card ko. So, nag-negative pa ng 11. So, literally, 2 beses ako nagbayad for my own nang sumakay kami ng bus na yun. So, dapat pala, wag nang itap yung Apple Pay. Kasi, meron pala siyang allowance may allowance pala na 50 Hong Kong dollar. Kahit na mag-negative na 50 Hong Kong dollar yung Octopus card mo. It's okay. And it's a very important learning experience for me. Kasi, never namin na-experience yan from the previous travel namin. So, maganda talaga. So, every travel or every vacation, madaming natututunan kasi iba-iba naman eh. So, guys, enjoy the view kasi nasa tunnel na tayo. Wala namang view, pero just enjoy. Every tunnel, ewan ko ba, but pag nakakakita kong tunnel, si Princess Diana yung naaalala ko. So, after the tunnel, so ito na yung bumungad sa amin. Wow, the majestic Hong Kong lights at night. So, parang 2 beses, twice lang kami naka-experience ng outside life ng Hong Kong nung when we're traveling from the airport. Ito nga, this is the first one. And then the second one was when we came back from Macau trip, like 1-day trip lang kasi kami sa Macau. So ito na yun, second time yun nung nag-bus din kami, because for the reason nga na kasi pagod na, always pagod na from our day tour, from our day trip sa mga iba-ibang tourist Hong Kong destination. So in short, wala na talagang energy na gumala. Ganyan pala pag may kasamang 2 senior tsaka isang bata. Pagod na, ubos na yung energy sa umaga pa lang. And then, pag gabi na, wala nang energy na lumabas pa. So, we usually stay at the hotel, kumain, tsaka matulog. So, thank you guys. We're almost here na sa Causeway Bay. Thank you for joining us from our trip to airport, from the airport to Causeway Bay. I hope you learned something for this video. And then don't forget to download the Apple Map. And then my husband downloaded, I think, the MTR and the bus up for this Hong Kong trip. Thank you so much. Enjoy!